wonderful words and good introduction. Let us give him a big round. I open meeting 640. Can I have the secretary?
Fellow Toastmaster welcome guests. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. Last meeting number 639. It was held on 26 July. Theme of the day: every individual has a place in the world and he is important in some way. Word of the day: exalt, meaning to elevate or to praise a person or a thing. Gold takers, we have the Sergeant at Arms Akash, President D.K. Lakshmi, MC D.K. Ramesh, General Evaluator Ram Gopal, Table Topic Master Srinivas myself, Accountant Sheetal, Timer Akash, Grammarian Vinod, Listener Anand. So we have total 3 speeches on that day. The first speech was by Shivani, project number CC2. This was evaluated by Prem. Second speech by Apu, project number CC3. This was evaluated by Vinod. Third speech by Divakar, it was given as part of ALB. The topic was how to be a distinguished club. So this is from the successful club series. And best speaker award from Shivani. Best speaker AC went to Divakar. Best tabletop speaker Sheetal. Best evaluator Prem. Best listener Sheetal.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
London Olympic Games have just commenced. You all must be watching, right? Yes. Gagan Narang has made India proud by winning a bronze medal. And we get to hear a lot of inspirational and motivational stories in the Olympics. These are really inspirational for all of us. And they are real life stories. In this London Olympics, a visually impaired person has participated in a shooting game. And 23-year-old physically disabled Poland girl has participated in table tennis tournament. She was playing beautiful table tennis. Isn't it unbelievable? And a South African sprinter whose both legs are amputated is participating in 400-meter relay. When we look at all these things, we see that all these athletes have undergone so much of hard work and practice. Winning and losing is all part of the game. But these athletes have surely won the hearts of millions of people. Not only in this Olympics, but in the Olympics before also, we have heard so many real-life stories like this. In 1938, there was a person called Karoli in the Hungarian army. He was #1 shooter in the world, pistol shooter. And he was willing to participate in the Olympic Games and win gold medal. But one unfortunate day, a hand grenade burst in his right hand and his right hand was blown off. And he was lying in the hospital bed for a month. He was really depressed. But then he thought, why I am concentrating on what I don't have? Let me concentrate on what I have. That is my healthy left hand and the mental toughness. Then he started practicing with his left hand. And That's how he kept his Olympic dream rekindled. And after 1 year, he went to a national championship which was going on in Hungary. And all the participants there came up to him and they started giving him condolences. They were feeling very bad for what happened with him. But they were shocked when he told him that I am not here to watch you guys. I have come here to participate. Even more shocking was he won the championship. And after 4 or 8 years, I think because of the World War, 2 times the Olympic Games were not held. But after 8 years, he participated in the Olympics and won gold medal. When we see all these things, it boils down to only one thing. It's all in the mind. There will be setbacks in life. There will be setbacks on the road to success. All we have to do is just look at the bright side of things. With this note, to take us through the meeting today, we have a wonderful person who is very handsome, immaculately dressed always, and is ever smiling and very stylish. He is the past president of Sunshine and past divisional governor. And one thing wonders me always, he is always attending all these meetings, seminars, everywhere he is there. And I wonder how he manages his time. And I think we should take how to manage the time, one educational session from him. And he has sent me SMS yesterday saying that I received my much awaited Advanced Leader Silver Award from the TMI. Now I am just 4 speeches away from my dream of becoming DG. Why don't we give him a big round of applause? So please help me with a thunderous round of applause to welcome Mr. Satyanarayan Raju.